Good day, class. Welcome to our English tree. Let's talk about root words. Let's begin by reading the words. Cooking, cleaning, working, reading, exciting, amazing, observing, colorful, helpful, harmful, beautiful, powerful, careful, cheerful, toughness, politeness, uniqueness, eagerness, happiness, kindness, awareness, national, traditional, historical, natural, festival, personal, original, measurement, achievement, improvement, treatment, movement, punishment, agreement, commitment, pollution, protection, classification, prediction, exploration, cooperation, suggestion, completion. Let's study the words cooking, cleaning, working, reading, exciting, amazing, observing. What have you observed with the set of words? Have you noticed that all the words end with ing? It means that this group of words are composed of a root word and a suffix, which is ing. What then is a root word? A root word is the most basic form of a word that cannot be broken down further and carries its fundamental meaning. Example, the word is cooking. Its root word is cook and its suffix is ing. Another example, exciting. The root word is excite. The suffix is ing. Lastly, amazing. The root word is amaze. The suffix is ing. Now, can you tell the root word of the following words? Are you ready? Let's begin. Cleaning. What do you think is the root word? Correct, it's clean. Working. What is the root word? Work. Very good. Reading. What is the root word? Read. Perfect. Exciting. What is the root word? Excite. Excellent. Amazing. What is the root word? Amaze. Very good. Observing. What is the root word? Observe. Good job, class. Let's continue. Colorful. What is the root word? Color. Helpful. What is the root word? Help. Harmful. The root word is harm. Powerful. The root word is power. Careful. The root word is care. Cheerful. The root word is cheer. Now it's your turn. Tell me the root word of the following words. Toughness, tough. Awareness, aware. Brightness, bright. Eagerness, eager. Darkness, dark. Kindness, kind. Well done. More examples are coming. Let the girls read the word while the boys give the root word. National, nation. Historical, history. Arrival, arrive. Natural, nature. Festival, festive. Personal, person. For the next set of words, you take turns. The boys will read the words while the girls will give the root word. Are you ready? Measurement, measure. Achievement, achieve. Treatment, treat. Entertainment, entertain. Payment, pay. Agreement, agree. Now take the challenge. Get a piece of paper and write the root word on your paper. Are you ready? Number one. What is the root word? Number two. Write the root word. Number three. 4. 5. And number 6. Are your answers all correct? Very good, class. Thank you for your time learning with me. See you next time. Goodbye.